Are you ready to transform your body completely? What if I told you it only takes 4 exercises? Yes, you heard that right. Stick around, and I'll reveal how these moves can change your life. Let's face it. With countless workout programs out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. We all want a strong and fit body. However, some struggle with complicated routines or expensive gym memberships. But what if I told you that just 4 simple exercises could provide amazing results? The first exercise is the squat. Squats are a powerhouse for your lower body. They target your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a squat by bending your knees, keeping your chest up. Imagine sitting back in a chair. This motion keeps your body aligned. After that, push through your heels to return to standing. Aim for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Next up, we have push-ups. Push-ups are excellent for building upper body strength. They work your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Position yourself on the floor with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground. Push back up. Start with 3 sets of 5 reps. The third exercise is the plank. Planks are incredible for core strength. A strong core helps with stability and balance. Get into a forearm plank position, keeping your body straight. Engage your core and hold for 30 seconds. If you can, extend your time as you progress. Start with 3 sets. Lastly, we have the burpee. Burpees offer a full body workout and boost cardiovascular fitness. Start standing, then drop into a squat. Place your hands on the floor and jump your feet back into a push-up position. Perform a push-up, then jump your feet back towards your hands. Finally, jump up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 8. Now, let's break down how each exercise contributes to your transformation. Squats build strength in your legs and glutes, helping tone and shape your lower body. Push-ups enhance upper body strength, improving posture and arm definition. Planks solidify your core, paving the way for better movement in all life aspects. Burpees increase your heart rate, burning calories and helping maintain weight. Imagine you dedicate 20 minutes a day to these 4 exercises. In no time, you'll notice increased endurance and strength. The best part? You can do these anywhere. No need for fancy equipment or bulky machines. For instance, picture a busy mom who wants to get fit. She incorporates these exercises into her daily routine while her kids nap. In just a few weeks, she feels more energetic and confident. Her clothes fit better, and she enjoys playing more with her kids. Also, let's not forget about the mental benefits. Regular exercise can boost your mood and reduce stress. When you push through a tough workout, it feels great. Finishing all 4 exercises gives you a sense of accomplishment. As you progress, you can increase the intensity. Add weights, increase the number of reps, or decrease rest time between sets. The idea is to keep challenging your body while remaining safe. Always listen to your body. If something hurts, stop. In summary, the change you seek is possible. Squats, push-ups, planks, and burpees can transform your body. These exercises are simple yet effective. Commit to them for consistency, and watch how your body responds. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Feeling inspired? Ready to give these 4 exercises a try? Start today, set realistic goals, and watch your transformation unfold. Don't forget to share your journey with friends. Together, you can motivate each other. Now, let's get moving and change our bodies for the better.